Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 8, expressing the past. Okay, so you know there are four aspects of past tense. You know, simple past, past progressive or past continuous, past perfect, progressive. Okay, so if you have not watched all the structures of the tenses, okay, present tense, past tense and future time, so here look at the screen. Okay, you can watch the video and get a complete idea about the different structures of the tenses. Okay, match the actions in column A with the descriptions of the actions in column B. So you know here, by the time Pratim turned 50, he had been painting for 50 years. Okay, so you know here past perfect continuous tense is used. Okay, he had been painting for 40 years. That means you know here an action, you know here action going on over a period of time in the past. Okay, so here you know this is past perfect continuous. The next year Pratim painted only landscapes until last year. So you know this is a habitual past action. Okay, here this is you know the tense is used here, simple past. Okay, the next year Pratim had painted a cityscape of Mumbai last year which sold for a huge sum. So you know here past perfect aspect is used. Okay, had painted, so you know here an action that took place before another action in the past. That means Pritam had painted a cityscape of Mumbai later which is sold. That means you know there are two actions. First you know one is earlier action and another you know later action. So which one is earlier action? You know Pratim had painted. So, you know this is an earlier action and you know later action which okay sold. This is simple past. That means you know an action that took place before another action in the past. You know here the first action had painted, then after you know after that he sold. That means simple past. Okay, then next year Pratim finished a painting yesterday. You know this is simple past. That means here you know an action which happened in the recent past. Okay, Pratim finished a painting yesterday. Clear? So here the options in column B tell us about the situations in which the various forms of the past tense are used. Yes, various form means you know simple past, past progressive, past perfect progressive. Okay. So you know we use the various forms of the past tense to talk about the past actions. Yes. So there is no relation to the present. Okay. These forms are the simple past. Yes, you know simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Clear? So here complete the passage with the simple past tense of the given verse. So you know it dash a wonder of nature. You have to use the past tense, simple past. Okay. So you know be verb means is, am, okay, are, was, were. So you know here we are talking about the simple past and you know the subject is singular, so the verb must be singular. Was. Okay. So it was a wonder of nature. 3 leopards in an African forest, you know, play. The past tense of play, you know, played. Okay. With a young fawn. But they, you know, here negative. Okay. They did not. Okay. They didn't harm him. The fawn walked, you know, past of walk, walked around the predators on unsteady legs while they licked. You know this is the past tense of licked the little thing. After a while they let, okay, past of let, you know, let it go. Was it one of those incredible stories of predators who, you know, turned, past tense of turn, nurturers, the wildlife photographer who captured, you know, past tense of capture, captured the incredible incident, you know here disagreed, okay, past of disagree. I think both parties were just curious. The photos soon, you know, past of make, made, okay, made their way into social media. Leopards show Bambi some love, declared the newspaper headlines. You know, past of declared, declared, okay. You have to use the simple past tense. That means V2, second form of the verb. Clear? The next year used to for past actions. Yes. So here we used to for describing actions which happened often in the past but no longer occur in the present. That means we are talking about the past habit. So here Shiva used to have long hair when she was young. Yes. So here my mother used to play badminton in college. Okay. Here read the sentences and rewrite them with used to. So you have to just find out here the simple past worked. Okay. You can write here grandma used to walk. Okay. Used to walk. Okay. 4 kilometers every day in the morning to go to school. So here walked will change into used to walk. Then next year she studied hard and did well in class. She used. Okay. She used to study hard. So you have to write here used to study hard and did well in class. Okay. Then next year she went to Saint Mary. So here she went to, that means you have to replace. Okay, you have to write here she used to go to St. Mary's school. Then next year she played with her friends in the evening. So here the second form of the verb simple past is used. She played. So you have to write here she used to play. Okay, she used to play with her friends in the evening. Then next year she listened to stories told by her mother at night. So here simple past listened is used. So you have to replace. Okay, used to listen. Clear? Just you have to find out the simple past and you have to replace used to plus v1. Okay, clear? So here look at this answer. Then next year fill in the blanks with the simple past or the present perfect tense of the given verbs. Okay, so here the answer. Okay, so here this is the answer. Okay, here. Then next here fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past continuous tense of the given verbs. Okay, here. Then next here fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past perfect tense of the given verbs. Okay, so here these are the answers. Then next fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past perfect continuous tense of the given verbs. Okay, so here Okay. Then next here complete the passage with the correct past tense of the given verbs. So here the answer. So here let's try to do this on your own. Okay. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.